Hey guys, today I have a full face of Tarte makeup, so it's going to be kind of a get ready with me and also going through some of the products that they sent me. They sent me quite a bit, and let me know if you guys want like reviews on anything. I will have reviews on some of these foundations, for example, the Tarte Sea Hydroflex and the face tape. These are coming up, but if you see anything else that you're curious about or anything like that, I wanted to do like a pretty glam everyday kind of look using this palette right here. This is the Maneater Guide to Glam. I just feel like this palette is just absolutely stunning. But if you guys want any kind of review or anything like that, let me know. They did send me, like I said, these products for review purpose. So we're gonna go ahead and get started, and we're gonna start off with the Tarte Sea Glotion. This is a basically a primer, and I love the fact that this has a glow to it. It's very similar to a lot of these primers that give a beautiful glow to the skin, and I love just how hydrating it is, especially if you have like combination dry mature skin. I feel like you're gonna absolutely love this, and you can see that even just wearing it alone, you can see like the glow that it gives to the face, which I really enjoy. And it does have like a little bit of shimmers in there, but not anything that I would say that is over the top. And today, because I'm just basically chilling here at home, I am going to be using the Tarte Sea Hydroflex. I am in the shade medium sand. I will be doing a full review on this and giving you guys all the deets, but I'm just gonna wear this with apply this with a sponge. Let me just do half the face so you guys can see, but this is very natural, gorgeous for every day, perfect for if you're just gonna go run some errands or if you want to look more natural either at work or wherever you're going. I feel like this, ooh, I got my headband dirty, but I feel like this is just a gorgeous everyday kind of foundation. And maybe by the time this is up, my review is out. So you might want to check under my foundation reviews. I have done so many foundation reviews and it's been a hot minute, but I really want to get back into doing reviews and doing get ready with me. So here is what it looks like. As you can see there, you can still see like my little freckle age spots coming through, but just very, very beautiful light to medium coverage. Now that I have my full face, I just did the other side. We are gonna get into concealer. This is the Shape Tape, but the ultra creamy one. I really suggest if you have a lot of issues as far as dryness or texture underneath your eyes to use this one, and you just need the littlest bit. So I like using the, I don't know, I call this the Robert Welch method because that's who I learned it from his channel. And where's my little froggy mirror? Okay, got my little mirror. And you just need the tiniest bit and then blend it out. I feel like less is more, especially the older you get. You just get more texture if you apply way too much underneath the eye. And I feel like that's just enough to give me a little bit of brightness, a little bit of coverage without accentuating too much my under eye texture and lines. And this is in the shade Light Sand. So let me finish this other side of the eye. To set everything in place, I'm using the Shape Tape setting powder, and this is just in translucent. It does come with a little powder puff. I don't really use that, and it does have one of those little mesh here in the center. So I'm just dipping into there. And I'm just gonna tap this all over the face, not too much. Mainly in those areas where I need the foundation to stay a little longer. And then I'm gonna use something that I've really been enjoying that they sent me, and this is the Shape Tape Glow Powder, and this is in the shade Starlit. This is absolutely just gorgeous. You could use this as a highlight, or you can use it like all over the face as a glowy powder. So I just like to sweep this lightly across the face. Let me see if you guys can see like what one side looks compared to the other. It's just a very subtle difference, but this is nothing, and then this is with it. So hopefully you guys will be able to tell. I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but it just gives like a glow to the skin, which I love. I went ahead and bronzed up with another product since I don't have a bronzer from Tarte, and we're gonna jump into this cream blush. I haven't tried it or anything. As you can see there, it's brand new. This is in the shade Pink Sky, and I love cream products. I just feel like they melt into the skin and just make you look more youthful. So let's see how this applies. Oh, that's very... That just blends like a dream. Like you don't even have to do any kind of effort. And I am using a synthetic brush. That is beautiful. And as far as highlight goes, I'm gonna use the highlight that's in the palette that we're gonna use, and it's this one right here. And let's go ahead and use a little bit of that. It's like a beautiful goldy highlight. Let's just concentrate it up there. Well, that's pretty. Okay, so here for this eye look, there are 6 different shades in here, and they're mostly all shimmers. I feel like you could do very simple, easy looks with this. And we're gonna go ahead and start out with this, what is this called? This is called Spotted. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go in with Spotted, which is that gorgeous brown kind of mid-tone shade. You could actually put this all, like any of these shades, you could just put them all over your lid and go, you know. These are like beautiful. This palette is just beautiful for like everyday glam look. So I'm just gonna put that on the outer half of my lid and a little bit into the crease. And I think I'm gonna use like 2 or 3 of the shimmer ones, we'll see. And I'll probably put this same shade underneath the lash line. We'll see how it goes, we'll see how it goes. And I think I'm gonna use these last 2 shades down here. These are absolutely just gorgeous. So I'm gonna use the shade Mighty. And before I do that, I'm gonna use the NYX glitter primer, just a little bit of it. This just really holds glitter down and shimmers and just makes them pop like crazy. So just applying it, it's very sticky, but I feel like sometimes it's okay to just do simple looks. Sometimes I feel like we want to just go overboard and use as many shades possible, but sometimes the most simplest looks are just absolutely gorgeous as well. And it's funny because I've said this before in my videos, like sometimes I'll do like the most simple look with just like 1 or 2 eyeshadows and I'll get so many nice compliments. So we're gonna go ahead. Now that I have that NYX glitter all over, we are going to put Mighty, and I'm just gonna use my finger. Oh, that's so pretty. And apply that to the center of my lid. Oh, hot damn. Oh, look at that. That is beautiful. And just taking that same brush that I had been using for the other brown, I am just blending that in. You'd actually touch a little bit of it and go in there. Oh, yes. For the inner corner, I'm gonna go into Claws Out, and I am hopefully gonna be able to concentrate this on that inner corner and inner part of the eyelid. I think it goes on better with my finger, to be honest with you guys. Okay, so let's see. Ooh, look at that. That is beautiful. This palette is fire. Underneath the lash line, we're gonna go into the one that we use for our crease and put that underneath the lash line. And let me know if you guys like more of these wearable looks. If you look at my Instagram, that's mainly what I do. I'm not into huge cut creases or anything like that. I'm about to hit 40, so I mean, not that you can't be 40 and do cut creases, but I just feel like I like more wearable stuff compared to like crazy stuff. So yeah, let me know if you guys like these kinds of looks more, and I will do them more here on my channel and do more get ready with me's, especially now that I have a little bit more time while my son is at school. But we shall see. And I'm gonna use the Lights Camera lashes. I did fill in my eyebrows and applied a little bit of lip liner. I'll try to have those other brands down below if you're curious what I'm actually using, but I really wanted to make the video specifically about Tarte. And I'm just applying a little bit because I will be applying lashes. And for the lips, I'm gonna use Buff by Tarte. This is their Maneater plumping gloss. This does sting a little bit, so you're gonna feel it on your lips. So if you don't care for that tingling, really minty sensation, then you might not like this. But I actually, it's not to the point where it burns, where I don't like it. So I actually really enjoy it. And I love the glossiness and like plumpy look that it gives to the lips. I'm gonna put on lashes, put on my wig, and be back to show you guys the finished look. And here is the finished look with my wig on. How do you guys like it? I really enjoy this palette so much. I feel like they did such a beautiful job, especially with these four right here. These shades are just stunning. You could literally just pop these on all over the lid and just be done, and just, oh, they're just gorgeous. They're really metallic-y, foiled glitter goodness. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this and maybe learned a little bit more about some Tarte products. I highly recommend you test out this palette if you're looking for an everyday gorgeous palette. Also love this cream blush. It blends in like a dream. This color is just absolutely stunning. It's kind of like a muted everyday kind of pinky shade, so I feel like it goes well with everything, and this is in the shade Pink Sky. I'll try to put everything down below just in case you're interested and knowing what I used, or you kind of missed out on what I was saying in the video. And hopefully you guys like this. If you guys have any suggestions for other videos or other brands that you would like me to do a full get ready with me and kind of speak about, let me know down below. And yeah, or any reviews or anything like that, let me know down below. I really want to get back into filming reviews, get ready with me, all that jazz. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. If you like this video, hit a little likey thumbs up down below. You can also follow me on my social media, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.